Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, is a natural clay that is popular for its beauty and health benefits. It is used in many beauty treatments, especially for skincare. Here are the steps to apply Multani Mitti with complete detail. Materials: Multani Mitti, water, mixing bowl, spoon. Instructions: start by washing your face with water to remove any dirt or makeup. Pat dry with a towel. Take a clean mixing bowl and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Multani Mitti powder. Slowly add water to the bowl while mixing the Multani Mitti powder with a spoon. Keep adding water until you have a smooth and consistent paste. Make sure that the paste is not too thick or too runny. Apply the paste to your face using your fingers or a brush. Avoid the area around your eyes and lips. You can also apply the paste to your neck and other body parts if desired. Let the paste dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. You will feel your skin tightening as the paste dries. Once the paste is completely dry, rinse it off with water. Use a soft washcloth to remove any remaining residue. Pat your face dry with a towel and apply a moisturizer to your skin. Tips: you can add other ingredients to your Multani Mitti paste for additional benefits. For example, you can add honey for hydration or lemon juice for brightening. Use Multani Mitti once a week for best results. Overuse can dry out your skin. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test before applying the paste to your face. Avoid using Multani Mitti if you have any open wounds or acne on your skin. Store the Multani Mitti powder in an airtight container to prevent moisture and contamination. Multani Mitti is a natural and safe way to improve your skin's appearance and health. With these steps, you can easily apply it to your skin and enjoy its many benefits.